You won't believe the changes Aspire Wealth Bank has made in 2026. Most people think traditional banks are outdated, but Aspire Wealth combines modern digital tools, high-yield accounts, and fee-free banking to make managing money easier than ever. Aspire Wealth offers both checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees and competitive interest rates. You can set multiple goals, from emergency savings to long-term financial targets, and the app automatically allocates funds toward them. Even modest contributions grow faster over time thanks to compound interest. The app dashboard is intuitive, showing your overall financial health, upcoming bills, and spending trends at a glance. Alerts notify you of potential overdrafts or unusual activity, helping you stay on track effortlessly. Security is robust. Aspire Wealth uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and 24/7 fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available via chat, email, or phone for quick assistance. The limitation: Aspire Wealth focuses on banking and savings tools. If you want advanced investment options, you'll need another platform. So, for anyone wanting a secure, modern, and automated banking experience, Aspire Wealth is hard to beat. So, is Aspire Wealth Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a reliable, intuitive, and safe way to grow your money, Aspire Wealth delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of banks and apps that make managing money smarter.